Have you heard the term soft glam? It's been popping up everywhere lately, from beauty blogs to TikTok tutorials, and you might be wondering what all the buzz is about. It sounds fancy, but it's really just a polished, effortless makeup style that anyone can try. Soft glam is about looking put together without seeming overdone, and it's surprisingly easy to achieve. It's the sweet spot between bare skin and a dramatic full face. You get the best of both worlds, a natural vibe with a touch of glam that enhances your features. Soft glam is perfect for every day, work, coffee dates, or casual dinners. It's versatile enough for any occasion, whether you're heading to the office or meeting friends for brunch. The goal? To look like yourself, just a bit more radiant and refreshed. It's about letting your natural beauty shine through, with a little extra glow. Think enhancing your features, not masking them. Soft glam is all about subtle definition, softly filled brows, fluttery lashes, and a hint of highlight. You'll see this look everywhere, from pop stars like Sabrina Carpenter, who rock soft glam on stage and off, to film characters like Glinda from Wicked, who always look magical yet approachable. It's modern, timeless, and all about confidence in your own skin. Soft glam celebrates individuality and works for every face shape, skin tone, and age. No strict rules or complicated techniques here. You don't need to be a pro or spend hours in front of the mirror. You only need a few well-chosen products. Think a creamy blush, a soft highlighter, and a neutral eyeshadow. The result is soft, blended, and glowing, never harsh. Everything melts together for a seamless finish. Imagine gentle shimmers, fresh skin, and colors that flatter you. It's about enhancing what you love most about your face. People will notice you, not just your makeup. Soft glam draws attention to your natural charm and personality. Let's break it down step by step and make soft glam easy for everyone, no matter your skill level or style. Forget perfection. This is about having fun and feeling good. Play around, experiment, and find what makes you feel your best. Ready to start? Let's dive in and discover the magic of soft glam together. Soft glam starts with radiant, healthy-looking skin. Skip heavy foundations. Let your real skin show through. Begin with clean, moisturized skin and a touch of illuminating primer for that lit-from-within glow. Use a lightweight foundation, tinted moisturizer, or just concealer where needed. Blend everything seamlessly, no harsh lines. The goal is skin that looks naturally flawless, not masked. Add a touch of liquid highlighter to cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow for extra dewiness. If you want subtle definition, softly blend a cream contour under your cheekbones. Keep everything soft and seamless. The result? Skin that looks fresh, dewy, and real. You want people to think you just have amazing skin. Less is more, let your natural beauty shine. This is the heart of soft glam. Now let's add some color. Time to bring your cheeks to life. If you want that healthy, radiant look that seems to glow from within, blush is your secret weapon. It's the quickest way to add warmth and dimension to your face, making you look instantly refreshed and full of energy. Cream or liquid blush is your best friend for a natural, healthy flush. These formulas melt into the skin, giving you a dewy, seamless finish that powder blushes sometimes can't achieve. Dab a small amount onto the apples of your cheeks and blend with fingers or a sponge. Start with a little and build up as needed. This helps you avoid overdoing it and keeps the look soft. Try the sunburn blush trick. Sweep a bit across your nose for a sun-kissed effect. This technique mimics the way the sun naturally hits your face, creating a playful, youthful vibe. Pinks and peaches work beautifully for this look. These shades flatter most skin tones and instantly brighten your complexion, making you look lively and fresh. Build color slowly. It's easier to add than remove. Layering your blush gives you control and helps you achieve that perfect, just pinched look. The goal is a soft wash of color that looks like it's coming from within. You want your blush to enhance your features, not overpower them. No harsh stripes, just a gentle, believable flush. Take your time blending so the edges disappear into your skin for a flawless finish. This step instantly makes you look more awake and cheerful. Even on tired days, a touch of blush can revive your whole look and boost your confidence. It's a favorite of celebrities for a reason. On the red carpet or in everyday life, glowing cheeks are always in style. Connect the color across your face for a seamless, youthful vibe. This technique ties your whole look together and gives you that effortless, sun-kissed finish. Remember, blend well for that signature soft glam warmth. The more you blend, the more natural and radiant your cheeks will appear. A little blush goes a long way. You can always add more, but starting small keeps your look fresh and modern. It's the secret to that fresh, radiant finish. With just a few dabs, you can transform your complexion and bring your whole makeup look to life. Now, let's move to the eyes and complete your glowing, sun-kissed look. Soft glam eyes are all about subtle definition. Use neutral eyeshadows, taupes, pinks, or peaches, for a gentle wash of color. Add a touch of shimmer for a soft, light-catching effect. Apply with a fluffy brush or your finger for a watercolor look. Skip harsh lines and dark shades. A couple coats of mascara will open up your eyes. For extra flutter, try a few natural-looking lash clusters on the outer corners. Eyeliner is optional. If you use it, keep it thin and close to the lash line. Brown or gray liner looks softer than black. You can add a tiny wing or skip liner for the softest effect. The goal eyes that look bright, pretty, and effortless. It's easy, elegant, and perfect for every day. Next, let's talk lips. Lips can completely transform your look. Whether you want to make a statement or keep things understated and natural, your lip choice sets the tone for your entire makeup vibe. If you're craving a pop of color, reach for a sheer berry shade. Think juicy raspberry or deep plum. Apply it as a stain for a just-bitten effect, or layer on a gloss for extra shine and dimension. Prefer something more subtle? Go for a nude or soft pink that's close to your natural lip color. This enhances your lips without overpowering the rest of your makeup. Perfect for a fresh, everyday look. For extra definition, outline your lips with a matching lip liner. This not only shapes your lips, but also helps your color last longer. Then, fill in with your favorite lipstick or gloss for a polished finish. Want a softer, more modern look? Gently blur the edges of your lips with your fingertip or a brush. This technique avoids harsh lines and gives a diffused, effortless effect. Satin or glossy textures are your best friends for keeping lips looking juicy, plump, and fresh. They catch the light beautifully and add a youthful glow to your whole face. Both bold berry and barely there lips pair perfectly with glowing, radiant skin and soft, subtle eye makeup. It's all about balance and harmony in your look. No matter which shade you choose, the key is comfort. Hydrated, well-moisturized lips always look their best and feel amazing all day long. Ultimately, it's about what feels right for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the shades and finishes that make you feel confident and beautiful. Remember, soft glam is about having options, not following strict rules. Mix and match textures, colors, and techniques to create your own signature lip look. Whether you go for a bold berry or a barely there nude, the goal is to keep it looking effortless and chic. Your lips should look naturally kissable, soft, and inviting, not heavy or overdone. Let your natural beauty shine through. Now, let's move on and frame your face with brows, bringing the whole look together. Brows are the finishing touch. They frame your whole look and truly define your expression. Skip harsh, drawn-on brows. Instead, go for a natural, fluffy texture for a softer effect. Brush brows up with a spoolie to lift and shape them for a fuller look. Fill sparse spots with a micro-tip pencil, using light hair-like strokes for a natural finish. Follow your natural shape. Less is more when it comes to brows. Set with clear or tinted brow gel for hold and volume that lasts all day. Feathered brows add a youthful, modern vibe to your overall look. This step pulls the whole soft glam look together beautifully. Brows should look effortless, not overdone or too perfect. Perfectly imperfect is the goal for natural brows. Now let's wrap it up and move on. That's soft glam, simple, glowing, and confidence-boosting. Dewy skin, sun-kissed cheeks, soft eyes, juicy lips, and fluffy brows. It's versatile for any occasion, work, errands, or a night out. Adapt it easily. Deepen eyes or lips for evening, keep it light for day. Soft glam is about celebrating your features, not hiding them. No need for expensive products or complicated steps. It's self-care, self-expression, and fun, all in one. Take a few minutes for yourself each morning. Play, experiment, and find your own version of soft glam. Wear it with confidence and a smile. When you feel good, you glow from within. That's the real beauty of soft glam. Now go shine.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.